Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach new syllabus 8th standard contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited and you will learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.2 remaining sums for 8th standard. Find third sum. Find the area of the combined figure given which is got by the joining of two parallelograms. Here given figure two parallelograms. This one, this is first, this is second one. So area of the parallelogram, what formula? B into H. Here given two parallelograms, so we have to find out area of two parallelograms. With basis here 8 centimeter, basis 8 centimeter, height is whole height 6 centimeter, means each parallelogram have 3 centimeter, so height is 3 centimeter. So 2 into B into H, that is the formula. So that is B into H. Here two parallelogram, that's why we put it 2 into B into H. B is 8 and H is 3. So 2 into 8 16, 16 3s are 48 centimeter square. Therefore area of the given figure 48 centimeter square. Next, fourth question. Find the area of the combined figure formed by joining a semicircle of diameter 6 centimeter with a triangle of base 6 centimeter and height 9 centimeter. We have to use it pi equal to 3.14. Here given figure is a semicircle and triangle. So area of the figure equal to area of a semicircle. So here diameter 6 centimeter means radius diameter by 2, that is 6 by 2 equal to 3 centimeter. Plus here two triangles given. So one triangle, this is second triangle, this is the base. This is the base. So base is 9 centimeter. Base is 9 centimeter. And height is here the center, here radius 3 centimeter only. So height also 3 centimeter. And base 9 centimeter. So formula, area of the semicircle half into pi r squared plus area of a triangle half into BH. Here two triangles, so write it 2 into 1 by 2 BH. So half into pi value 3.14, r is 3, so 3 into 3 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 9 into 3. Here multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 into 3.14. So 3.14 into 9. So 9 4s are 36, 3, 9 1 is 9 plus 3, 12. Point 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28 by 2. By 2 means 1 2 is to 4 2s are 8, 1 2 is to 3 2s are 6. So 14.13. Here also 2 and 2 cancel it. 9 3s are 27. 14.13 plus 27. Add it. 3, 1, 7 plus 4, 11, 1, 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. So 41.13 centimeter square. That is the area of the figure. This is approximately only. The sum. The doormat, which is hexagonal shape, has the following measures. Here find its area. Here 2 trapezium. The shape here 2 trapezium. Trapezium means what measurement we need? So formula is half into h into a plus b. Here h is h is 2 trapezium 70 centimeter. So divide it 70 by 2. Therefore h equal to 35 centimeter. What is A? A is 90 centimeter and B is 70 centimeter. So use the formula. Here how many trapeziums are there? 2 trapeziums. So write it area of 2 trapezium. That is equal to area of the doormat. So already I told you 70 by 2, that is 35 centimeter. A is 90 and B is 70. Area of a trapezium formula half into h into a plus b. So here 2 trapezium. So write it 2 into 1 by 2. H is 35, A is 90 and B is 70. So 2 and 2 numerator denominator cancel it. 35 into 90 plus 70, 160. So 160 into 35 multiply. 500, 5 6 are 30. 3 carry over. So 5 1 is 5 plus 3, 8. Plus 300, 3 6 are 18, 1. 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 0, 0, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1, 1 plus 4, 5. So 5600 centimeter squared is the area of the doormat. Sixth sum. A rocket drawing has the measures. So given in the figure, find its area. Here area of the combined figure. What figure given here? First area of rectangle, area of triangle and area of trapezium. So here full length given. So we have to subtract from trapezium and triangle. Triangle length height is 20 and here also 20 given. This height. So 20 minus 20 means 120 minus 40. 80 centimeter is rectangle length. And breadth is 30 centimeter. So triangle also base is 30 centimeter, height is 20 centimeter. And trapezium also height 20 centimeter, height 20 centimeter. This is A 50 centimeter and B is 30 centimeter. So all measurements we calculated. So now area of the figure equal to area of rectangle L into B plus area of triangle half into B into H plus area of trapezium half into H into A plus B. Substitute the value 80 into 30 plus half into 30 into 20 plus half into 20 into 50 plus 30. So 80 into 30, 2400. So here also you cancel it 2 and 20, 10. So 30 into 10, 300. Here 1 2 is 2, 10 2s are 20, 50 plus 30 is 80, 80 into 10, 800. So 2400 plus 300, 2700 plus 800, 3500. So area of this figure is 3500 centimeter square. One, find the area of the irregular polygon shaped fields given below. So we have to find out the area of the field. Here given shapes area of trapezium FBCH and plus we have to add these shapes and find out the area and we get the area of field. So area of trapezium first FBCH plus area of triangle DHC, this is second one, plus area of triangle EGD, this shape fully you take it. This is third plus area of triangle EGA plus area of triangle FBA. This is fifth. So area of a triangle formula already you know that half into B into H square units, and trapezium also half into H into A plus B square units. Let us find area of trapezium FBCH. So we need H. So half into H is here. H is here 8 plus 10. So that is 80. Into A is 8 and B is 3. So 8 plus 3, 11. So simplify 1, 2 is 2, 9 2s are 18. So 9 into 9, 11, 99. And the second one, area of triangle DHC. So half into B into H. So half into B is 8 and H is 5. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 meter square. Third one, area of triangle EGA, half into that shape is a triangle also. So height is 8 meter into B is 10 plus 15. So 15. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 15s are 60. Fourth figure, area of triangle this is third one, this is fourth one. Area of a triangle EGA. So this one. So here also that triangle only. So half into H is 8 into B is 8 plus 6, 40. 40. So 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 14s are 56. Fifth one, this is fifth one, area of triangle BFA. This one, half into B into H. Here, half into, what is B? 3 meter, H is 6 meter. Cancel it. 2. 2 3s are, so here 3. Because 2 table only we cancel. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So add this field, 9 plus 6, 4, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 2, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 5, 24. Therefore, area of the field 244 meter square. Thank you, students. We will see next class, next exam.